What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Promenade at Sunset Walk, Margaritaville Resort, Orlando for another Sunset Walk Slingshot construction update. There's been a little bit of progress. Let's go check it out. All right, let's get onto the construction site and see what is new. Frame's still here. And the pad for the building looks pretty good. We got rebar sticking up with caps on there. Again, this is going to be for restrooms over there, sinks, all that. Main kind of lobby, and then a couple rooms over here. Over there, video booth. All of the conduit coming out. Rebar over there as well. Conduit here. It's looking really good though. And then of course with the towers, not much has changed there. However, we're starting to see some backfilling going on in this area, which is good. And then we have a frame over here. This, my guess is, not 100% sure, this is going to be for a hydraulic pump. And then right there, we got the volcano pit structure. It's in. And they're starting to backfill around it. And then the other tower right there. Again, towers looking good. Everything has been assembled over in the storage lot. And very, very soon the Austrians are coming over from Fun Time. We'll start building again up into the air. You can see cable guide box right here with backfill. And then just over here, volcano pit. Looks really good. Rebar frame there. I'm going to assume that's going there. Sealant right there, along with bolts in place. Yep, this baby's in. And here we are, down inside. So you can see it's a pretty large room. So again, speaker box right now, getting rivets and sealed up. Cables will go right there and right here, dead center. We're gonna launch up. And you can see right here along the ground, the structure for the volcano pit is physically bolted in. Well, that's just about going to do it for everything here on the ground. Let's get into the air, see how it looks. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from Promenade at Sunset Walk, Margaritaville Resort, Orlando for the Sunset Walk Slingshot. And I'm happy to say the Volcano pit is in place. Crews are backfilling. Over at the storage lot, well, there's not much going on over there. That's why we didn't stop by. But hopefully you did enjoy the views from the air. And of course, we have the Austrians coming very soon. And that means we should be going more vertical. Yeah, baby. I'm excited. Of course, we're going to have plenty more videos. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.